Hey everyone, I have my summer Curatuer box, I think I said that right, to unbox, formerly Box of Style, so I'm just going to get it out and start unboxing it. Here's the inside, and I went through briefly and found the necklace. So I have already seen this, and I took it out of the packaging, but everything else I haven't really looked at yet. I'm really excited about this. So originally I canceled this box. I skipped the curation. I wasn't interested. And then I watched a few unboxings. They spoke really highly of this necklace and also the Caftan. So I decided to go for it. Especially because, well, the necklace was always caught my eye, and I was always tempted to buy it, but I didn't think I would have spent $100 for the box to get the necklace. Anyway, here it is. Then I saw the other things and I was starting to think, okay, this might be worth it for me. Okay, so here we go. I don't have a viewfinder, I can't see how it looks, but I'm sure it's nice because the necklace itself is so pretty. Next we have this bag. I know a lot of people are really excited about this bag. I don't know that I am, to tell you the truth. I got it thinking I will try to sell it on Mercari or Poshmark or something, and I probably will still try to do that. It is really cute, and it has some pockets inside, which I'm glad subscription boxes started doing that, because I think it used to be just as cheap as possible, so they left out the details of inside pockets and snaps and that sort of thing. But now they have two slip pockets, one that looks like it's for a phone, and then one zipper pocket. So it is really nice. I don't know. I could keep it. We'll see. Oop. I think I just rustled everything around. Next we have this Golden State Carrot Seed and Rosehip Oil. I'm excited for this. I'm not going to, I surprise myself when I say I'm excited for it. I've just been really trying. I was good at skincare, and it's pretty. I took a break from being really diligent at skincare, and I'm trying to get back into it, and I see such a difference when I'm good at my skincare. And so I think this will be a really nice nighttime, I don't want to say addition, because when I run out of my current like carrot seed oil, then I'll switch to this one. So I'm glad to have a backup. Then y'all know how I feel about Marc Jacobs. This is, I wish it would have had a slight color to it. This is just a clear lip oil, and I am sure that it will be luxurious. I am not going to do it right now. I'll put it on right now because then it would have a color to it, but a very unintentional and sloppy color to it. So I look forward to using this at some point. And lastly, we have the Caftan. I am really excited about this. Again, this and the necklace are the two things that I felt were worth the purchase of the box. And it's very similar to something I got in her box in 2017. That was my first ever Rachel Zoe box. It was her summer box, and some of my favorite items that I own are from that box. I just loved it. Sunglasses, necklace, kimono, hat, a blush stick. That might be it. I feel like there might have been some skincare, but that seems like it's as many items as we usually get in a box. So anyway, that was a great box, and I've been off and on ever since. So this is super long, and it cinches at the waist, and I just initially thought I wasn't going to have a need for it, but then I saw it in an unboxing with distressed jeans and a black tank underneath, and I'm like, yes, I'm going to do that. So I think I'll probably wear that on my birthday that's coming up. And I'm not going to wait to post this until I style it and everything. I'm going to try to get this up right away. But as I have updates, I will throw them in videos at some point. I might do like a quarterly subscription box update with my favorite things from each box. And one thing I want to mention, if you are a regular viewer, you're probably wondering why I got this box. I had canceled my subscription, my annual subscription boxes, or let them expire. And I decided to actually keep going with some of them because they are a really good substitute for shopping for me. And I also have a big no-buy update coming up and kind of channel update. So make sure that you are on the lookout for that if you are interested in my content. Also, if you're not subscribed, please do so. I am not done with the video, even though it sounds like I'm done with the video. I want to go through and tell you my personal values to see if this adds up to at least what I paid for the box. Okay, so I would start with the necklace. I would probably pay I could see myself paying $45 for this necklace. Like if it was a $90 necklace and I stumbled on a 50% off sale, I would pay $45 for it. I have a hard time paying full price for anything. So if it was a $45 necklace, I don't know that I would pay $45 for it, but if it was a $90 necklace on sale for $45, I would probably spend $45 on the necklace. And I know they inflate prices just to put sales on. I get it. I'm not dumb, but it doesn't matter. That's the way I am. Okay, the Marc Jacobs lip oil, I would probably spend $15 for this. So now we're up to $60. I would spend $40 on a good face oil. I would spend full price on really good skincare because that's not something that I want to skimp on. And this is, the retail value of this is probably quite a bit more than that. I think I have the magazine. I could look it up, but I'll put it on the screen. So 40. So right now we're at $100 and I have 2 big items left. So this Caftan, assuming it's going to look as marvelous on as I expect it to, I could see myself spending $45 on it. Again, especially if it was on sale. Okay, so that's $145, and the bag, I don't even know what to say because I like it better than I thought I was going to now that I have it in hand, and that's a major theme with these subscription boxes for me. I think I'm gonna stop and not give it any retail value only because I wouldn't buy it. It's not like if I had a need for a bag, I could see myself picking this bag out of several options, but I don't have a need for a bag like that. So I'm going to give it 0, but it's a nice bag. And then if I sell it, I get to subtract that from the cost of the box for me. And that changes everything. Not really, but I can put it towards the purchase of the next Curatuer box. All right, you guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Did you get this box? If so, what was your favorite thing? Did you choose the Caftan or did you choose the beautiful towel? The towel looked really nice too, but I'm more into fashion than I am towels, so I went with the Caftan. Okay, so again, love to see you subscribe, love to see you come back. Tell me if you have any Curatuer unboxing videos. Like if you make videos and unbox this, please let me know. I would love to watch. Have a fantastic rest of your day and have a fantastic summer season. Bye.